Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 Lite, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Now let's scroll down, enter Special App Access, and here scroll down again to localize Install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Simply tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the app and tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.